Hello friends. So today we'll discuss type 3 hypersensitivity. Now this type 3 hypersensitivity is mediated by immune complex. Type 1 was mediated by antibody IgE type. Type 2 was also mediated by immunoglobulin. And type 3 over here it is mediated by both antigen antibody complex, that is immune complex. So antigen and antibody would combine, make a complex which will activate the complement system and will cause inflammation and tissue injury. Routinely, what happens, antigens can be either exogenous or endogenous, and our body is constantly exposed with such type of antigens. Now, immune system will identify such type of antigen, will form appropriate antibody, and then immune complexes are created. In normal concentration of antigen and antibody, it would form optimum immune complex, and which will be cleared very efficiently by our immune system. When this immune complex becomes excessive, it will lead to further injury and type 3 hypersensitivity. Sometimes what happens, such type of immune complex are very large, and when they are large, they will lodge to the localized tissue and will cause localized injury. While sometimes excessive amount of immune complex, but they are in smaller size, so they will get deposited and circulated all over the body through circulation, and it will lead to systemic manifestation. Now we'll discuss mechanism of type 3 hypersensitivity. Now immune complex which are formed will lead to activation of cells and complement system. Platelets are also activated, which will lead to microthrombi. On other hand, activation of complement will lead to generation of anaphylatoxins, chemical mediators like C5a and C3a, which will lead to inflammation. Now, because of this complement activation, because of this inflammation, ultimately what happens, there is a localized inflammation and injury that happens both because of complement system and also because of immune cells. As we discussed earlier, type 3 hypersensitivity can be of two types, either localized or systemic in nature. The localized type 3 hypersensitivity is also known as Arthus reaction. Over here in Arthus reaction, antigen combining with antibody will lead to formation of immune complex, and as we seen, it will lead to activation of complement system. Now this complement system will generate anaphylatoxins or chemical mediators, which in turn activate the immune cells. So there will be a localized inflammation and injury. Such type of localized reaction is called as Arthus reaction and is typically seen in insect bite or in farmer's lung when, because of certain fungal component, there is a stimulation of type 3 hypersensitivity. There is activation of complement which will lead to injury, and this injury is localized in lung. So this is a form of localized type 3 hypersensitivity reaction. Another form of type 3 hypersensitivity is systemic, which is also called as serum sickness. Now what happens? Classically, there are certain antisera which were used for the treatment of certain diseases like tetanus, in which antiserum are given to the patient who is suffering from particular infection. Now in this antisera which are given will act as an antigen, and it will be identified by our immune system as antigen. So appropriate antibody will be formed. So what happens when such type of antisera are given, then gradually you can see over here there is more number of antigen initial phase, and after some time there is a development of antibody against that particular antisera. So there will come a time when there is presence of antibody which will bind with this particular antisera and will make immune complex. Now there will be a sudden large amount of immune complex will get created, especially you can see after inoculation or injection of such type of antisera from 5 days up to 15 days, and this is a time when maximum number of immune complex is generated. Then gradually this antibody concentration will fall, that means antigen rather antisera, and own antibody concentration will increase. So there is less amount of immune complex which is there in a later part. So what happens during this phase, large amount of immune complex are generated, and as they are not getting efficiently cleared, it will lead to certain clinical signs and symptoms, especially nephritis and arteritis. So this is called as serum sickness. It is a systemic manifestation of type 3 hypersensitivity. Now, most important part of type 3 hypersensitivity is immune complex disease. Now what happens over here, in our body such type of antigens can appear or can happen because of three different mechanisms. There can be a persistent infection of any microbe, and which will constantly manufacture this antigen, and what happens, there is a damage especially in certain organs like kidney. Or there can be autoimmunity, where self-antigens are identified by our immune system as an antigen, and they are constantly present. And same, the clinical manifestation can happen in some of the organs like kidney, joint, artery or skin. Or there can be constant inhalation of antigen from the respiratory tract. It can be mold, plant or animal antigen, and constant presence and entering of such type of antigen will lead to clinical manifestation and injury in lung. So basically what happens over here is antigen antibody constant getting combined. Because of constant supply of antigen, immune complexes are generated, and they are larger in amount which our body cannot dispose of, and such excess amount of these complexes will get deposited in organs, especially basement membrane over epithelial tissue, and now this can get deposited in various organs like kidney, skin, joints, heart, lung and blood vessel. So ultimately this will lead to different diseases which are mediated by immune complex mediated hypersensitivity like systemic lupus erythematosus, rheumatoid arthritis, glomerulonephritis and endocarditis. They are also classified as autoimmune disease. So over here we end, and this is all about immune complex mediated hypersensitivity. To sum up, type 3 hypersensitivity is mediated by immune complex. It can be either localized or systemic. Localized is called as Arthus reaction, systemic is called as serum sickness, and most importantly, the immune complex mediated disease, which are also autoimmune disease, are SLE, rheumatoid arthritis, glomerulonephritis, and endocarditis. Thank you.